Hello, welcome to Alice Pokemon Place. Today we're going to open one of these. If you didn't see the other one, we opened the Charizard tin and we got awesome cards in that one. I hope we get good cards in the Gyarados because I wanted to decide that we opened the Gyarados one because I like Gyarados. And who knows, we might open the little Raichu. Alright, the step aside. Maybe I should put them somewhere. Alright. So, we should open this little tin. Little tin. I like tin. I'm gonna go. Alright. Now we're going to just jump like a little froggy. Hop, hop, hop. Yes. Eee! Ow! Eee! Oh. I like stabbed my nail into my little palm. It's really hurting. Why is this one hard too? In the Charizard one, it was very hard. In this one, it's not that hard, but still, it's just a little bit hard, okay? That looks super cool. Nice looking GX card. Oh, it's not coming out. He doesn't want to come out the water. Okay, come on, come out. Okay, I have a heart attack that was going to pop. Actually, I might show you before I put it down anyways. That is the cool looking Gyarados. I like that, that's very cool. Got the big mouth there. Alright, we got a Mew. We got another green Mewtwo. It's very unusual. And we got a really cool Hidden Fates Charizard. And we got another one. It's hurting my fingers. That's very noisy. And then you got the bird guys coming out from nowhere. I'm going to open the Mew because it's very cute. Alrighty, to open the Mew. I want a really good card. I can't get any grip. Where did Mimikyu come from? Okay, Mimikyu is a ghost because he came out of nowhere. He wasn't there before. Very unusual. Alright, Mimikyu. So, what do you think? There's your code. What kind of cards we're going to get? I don't think he knows because I haven't shown him. So yeah, he's not even looking down. He's looking over somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, there is the energy. I like this little fairy energy. Little fairies. Then there's a trainer card. Charmeleon. Brock. I like little Brocky. Getting a little fisting. Okay. There's Slowpoke doing stuff. Cactus Cider. Alright, there's Clefairy. What's it called? There's Ekans and a beautiful rainbow. Oh, then there's a cool looking energy. Got like the nice little rainbow thing. You sign it. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna keep you. It's very nice, very good. Good job. Then you have Mr. Man, Love World. something like that. Alright, then we're going to... That happens all the time. Don't worry, it happens all the time. I'm falling off. I'm falling. What? Okay, that's weird. Then lets me open, so... Scissors time. I haven't used the scissors in a long time because I know how to open them now, but that was tricky. Birds, you didn't let me open it, so rude. Alright, and it still isn't gonna let me. Did I not cut it properly? I don't think I cut it. Did. Cut it properly. Don't cut the cards! You don't want to cut the cards. I didn't cut the cards. Okay, we're okay. Alright. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell as well to make sure I have good luck to get hopefully a good card. Alright. There is your card. Lightning energy. Ooh. Trainer card. Seen you before. Creep. I think we got like him in one of the Charizard video, and it was very good. I was really happy. And there is the trainer card. And there is a trainer card. And there is a Pokeball. Voltorb. There is a Cubone. Hello, Gyarados. The Gyarados, the floating around and a floating head with arms on his head. It's kind of weird. There is Eevee. I like Eevee. You're cute. You're cute. Then you got the Jigglypuff. Little Jigglypuff. Little cute little thing. It will make you fall asleep. Ooh, a reverse Pikachu. Pika. Playing with them. Bubbles. Alright, you're cute. I'm gonna keep you. I like you. I'm going to open the Charizard pack last. We're not getting any good ones, but they're really cool. Still, really cute as well. That's all that matters. We only need cute cards. That's what matters. I love cute cards because who doesn't like Pikachu? Who doesn't? There is your card. Ah, someone's cards down there. We're not getting anything good though. It doesn't matter. No one cares. You just, I like cute cards. There's your water energy. I love Pikachu. If there's a whole set with Pikachus in it, I love that. There's Misty. Hello, Misty. Then you got another trainer card. I saw something good. I see something good. Coughing. Staryu. Ekans. Canopy! I'm so terrified right now. And then you got that. And then you got that! Oh my god, I kind of want to show you that. Dude. And then you got Vex! Oh my goodness. Okay. I think you guys left a like because we got good luck. We got 2 awesome good cards. I'm gonna show you both so you get like a better view of them. Like that is very cool. I like that. That's Mewtwo. There's a little ape. Alright. That's awesome. That's really good. I love that. That's really good. Alright. Now we are going to open the last packet. It's a kind of a fast video. Really. Am I going too fast? Is that the problem? There is your code. That's what code. Alright, there is your energy. There is your bug. Alright. There's a metapod. There's a magma. I think. Yeah, that's his name. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I got this. Staryu. Again. Caterpie. You got the little crab with mushrooms. Got the Charmander. You got the reverse hollow Staryu. I'm gonna keep that. Then you got a Kabikabaka, a Cleaver, a Clefable. Yeah, there we go. I got the hang. Oh, took me 500 years, but that's cool. Alright, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and hit the bell. And I'll see you later on Ella's Pokemon Place. Bye!